hello, my friends, as we move through 595 research methodologies. One of the things that I want to do is take a second to go out and show you the Academic Excellence Indicator System for the state of Texas. And for future reference, I'll just refer to this as AEIS. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is go out to the website. So go out to the website, and from there, you need to find the Texas Education Agency website. Of course, I have it bookmarked, and I would recommend that you likewise bookmark it. Now, when you come to the Texas Education Agency website, there's several ways to get to the AEIS system. The easiest is probably just to click on the index, and it opens up on A anyway, and here it is, the Academic Excellence Indicator System. This is what the web page looks like. You come in here, you have many years of data, and then you have all of these years listed there. There's a section here about AEIS that you can go and read about, and that's very important that you do that. As a matter of fact, in the paper that you're going to write, you're going to need to tell us a little bit about the AEIS system. So let me take it back here. Here we are to the actual report. In order to extract data, we're going to go to the 2009-2010 academic year. Now, if you'll notice, there are several documents here. The AEIS glossary can be accessed here. Now, you can get a printer-friendly version of this in PDF, which is very nice. Since your articles are going to relate to school district ratings, notice some of the ratings here: exemplary, recognized, academic acceptable, academic unacceptable. Let's back up now and look at the different things you can do. You can look at it for schools, district, regions, or for the state. You can go to the AEIS glossary. What we want to do is we want to download data files. So when you go to download data files, there are again more items that would be of interest to you. We're going to do download of selected data because we're going to pick and choose what we want. Let's go into that site, and now you're into downloading it. Notice the AEIS Data Dictionary. This provides us the headings of the data so that we can understand them once they're extracted. Now, you have a master reference for data elements. That's just a page that tells you what the headings mean. The AEIS Data Dictionary is more profound than that. Not only does it tell you the heading, but it shows you the many things that can be downloaded. Now, we have several options here. We can do district aggregates by region, by county, we can do campus by region and by county. We can do them for campus by district within a county. What I generally like to do is to extract the district aggregates for the whole state. And we'll select that. It tells us there are 1,237 district records, and we would continue. Now you're at a place where you can start choosing what you want to do. Different reference is where I'm going to go first. I'm going to continue with it, and we might want to know the district name. That really does help us, doesn't it? And the district rating. Those are the things that we want. Now we may want to download that. And away we go. And when we do so, we now have it downloaded. And it just downloaded that file in this format, which gives us the district number, the district name. Let me spread that out a little bit, and the district rating. We got a lot of work to do on this database, friends, but we can make this work. Now that we have downloaded the district number, the name, and the rating, we're going to have to begin to design the spreadsheet that will contain the information that we want. One of the problems with this file here is that this file is not necessarily saved as a Excel file yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to tell it to save as, and we're going to save it to the name that it gave it. And I think I'll just save it on my desktop so we can do some things with it. So I have just deleted, uh, just uh, just done away, save that file. I'll save it again, then we'll delete it. Now, on my desktop, I'm a Mac user, guys. Here's the file right here. Now, what I want to do now is I want to go out and I want to upload Excel. Let me get it positioned in the window. Those of you who are not Mac users, you own those old IBMs, you don't really appreciate all the cool things I'm doing right now. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to open that recent file that I put on the desktop, and I'm fixing to do some work on it to make it an Excel file instead of just a CVS file. You notice that all of those shifting overs I did and things like that were lost, and that was because it was a CVS file. Now let me do some things here. I think before I do much, I'm going to format it a second. Format my cells. I want to align that. I want to center those values, and I think I'll center those values too. Just bear with me. We want to make this thing look a little neater. Now we have a problem with this file that is going to eat us up later on, and that is that these districts are alphabetical, but in all other future files that we extract, they will be listed by number. So what I'm going to do is go select those. I'm going to go to Data Sort, and I'm going to sort district in ascending order. There we are. We have them in the numerical order that we need. Now what I need to do is save this file. Now I'm not going to save it as a CSV file. I want to save it as an Excel file right here. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to call it, I'm going to name it, I'm going to call it dog underscore master underscore file. So I have now saved this as my master file, which will be on the database. Some things I want to do is I don't like how ugly this is. Let me fix all of that. You know, guys, I'm kind of compulsive. I'm just going to call that rating. I don't know if any of you ever saw the show about Monk. This was one of my favorites. I think she enjoyed that because he reminded her so much of me, because I'm just compulsive too. And I'm doing this. I have a little bit better looking database now. So file, save. Now what I have is partial. I have districts with ratings. Now you'll notice they have the ratings, and then some of them have these ones, numbers instead of ratings. We're going to have to leave that there for a little while, but those are kind of masking values. We're going to have to exclude some districts from our study, or we should, because those districts are masked. We want the actual ratings. Now, we have a beginning data file, master data file, but we've got a lot of other things to put in here. Should be very interesting. Well, friends, the data file is under construction, but now you've seen the AEIS system. We're going to use that system to extract the data which we desire, and then in our research project, we're going to convert that data into meaningful information which is shared with a broad constituency. Sounds exciting, doesn't it?